Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Not that big a deal, but a second way to do text to path. Normally, I would grab this with I hit the left mouse button. I'm going to go to text and text to path, and then go to the path till I get that red bar. Well, there's another way to do it. I don't know if it's any better. I made this symbol because it's really hard to see, and you want to use your right mouse button, and so put it right there on that X, holding down your right mouse button, and you're going to get this little bullseye, and then you can go text to path. It's not that big a deal, but it's just another way to do it besides going up to the menu. So one more time, the right mouse button, get right on that X and move it down to your path till you see that bullseye. I don't know if you can see it. Right there is this, see how the bullseye is bigger? And then text to path. Anyway, just another little tidbit. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.